Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make grid background in Photoshop. Open a new document, set units to pixels or inches, and enable rulers to guide placement. Turn on View Show Grid, then open Preferences to customize grid line spacing and subdivisions for precise control. Pick a subtle color and low opacity for the grid so it guides without dominating your artwork. Open Preferences and navigate to Guides, Grid, and Slices to fine-tune spacing and subdivisions for your grid. Choose a main grid size such as 50px and set subdivisions to 4 for useful increments. Pick a muted color and reduce opacity so the grid helps composition without overwhelming your layers. Save these settings as a preset if you reuse grids across projects to speed up your workflow. Create a reusable grid by drawing lines on a separate layer, converting them to a smart object, and duplicating across artboards. Enable Snap to Grid for pixel-perfect placement and use Free Transform with Shift to keep proportions intact. When finished, export the grid layer as a PNG or define it as a pattern so you can quickly apply consistent backgrounds to new designs without rebuilding the grid.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.